Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is the 12th of January 2021 and today I'm going to look at the stock that is NIO. And we know that the electric car has been making a very huge up move for the past 1 year and especially for the past 1 week, and Tesla has been making new high. So if you look at another stock, and that is NIO, NIO has also been making new high for the past 1 week, and in fact the past 1 week NIO has go up tremendously. I think one of the reason is because they have a NIO day on the 9th of January when they released a new model of the car, and it was a luxury car. So before NIO day, the stock of NIO has actually been going up. That is probably because of the rumor that a new model is going to launch. So when the news is released after the 9th of January, yesterday the stock has made a new high and it come off a little bit after trading hour, and today is off a little bit. I was actually expecting that the NIO stock to drop when the news is released, because that is the famous quote of buy the rumors and sell the news. So this part was actually the rumors when the new day is coming. And when the news is released, I expect the stock to come off. But NIO did not come off. So in fact, NIO is still around the high at $61.50 right now. So what can I do on this trade? And if I were to follow the principle of my advanced view strategy, and that is to collect 1% every week. So let me look at the option change of NIO. And I'm looking at this Friday expiry, and because today is a Tuesday, so there's 4 days to expiry. So let's look at the 15th January. And if you were to collect 1% premium, looking at the NIO price now is about $61. A 1% premium, that means we are going to look at about 56, right? Then we are going to sell one contract of the 56. Then we can hit our 1% premium. My allocation plan for NIO is actually to allocate about 10 to 12,000 on this trade, so I can afford to go long 200 share based on the allocation. So if I were to sell 2 contracts of 56, I will be able to collect the 67 cents of premium, and that will hit our 1%. Or I can be looking at other strike. Right now NIO is about 61. There could really be a support level at about 56 or 57. So let me take a little bit of risk here. Instead of going 2 contracts at 56, I will try to go for 1 contract at 58. That is because, as usual, I'm a little bit greedy. So instead of going for my 1%, right now I'm going to sell 1 contract at 58. And if the market were to come off from here and it start dropping, I may decide to open another contract at a lower price to average down my price, or I can do some other trade. But let's see how it goes. And if I were to sell this contract and NIO decided to pick off from here and you go back to 65 or $70, then I get to keep the premium that I collected, and then I can decide what to do next week again. So let me just try to sell 1 contract here and always go for the mid price rather than just hitting the bid, because that is the retail price. We want to get in somewhere on the mid. and if we can't get a fill, then we will just adjust it. So make sure everything is correct. And so I'm done. I sell one contract of the 58 put for $1.33. So let me update my trade here. My new previous trade was actually on the 28th of December. I sell 141 put that expire on the 8th of January for $1.66. Of course, this trade has already expired, out of money, so I get to keep the premium. So as we go along, I will just update here. So this is my last trade, 28 December, sell to open, 41 put, that expire, 8 January for $1.66 or 166 for one contract. So today on the 12th of January, I sell to open a 58 put that expire this Friday. So 4 days from now, for $1.33, and that will be equivalent to $133 for one contract. So let's move on from here and see what new we'll do for these few days from now till Friday, and then I can make adjustment, or if not, if the stock were to drop below 58, I will take assignment and start to do a covered call on this. So that's all for today's trade. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.